Oh my gosh. Yes. Woo! Yes!
Man, Elon Musk is the best. He's the star, man. He's a big Texas fan. Look at his Texas build, his Texas boots, and carrying the flag of Texas and United States on his Cybertruck. The Cybertruck looks really, really pretty. I wonder where are the doors on the Cybertruck though? Like where are the handles? The door handles? Seems as if the Cybertruck doesn't have a door handle. It is really pretty. I won't lie to you. The Cybertruck is it's really pretty. Man, this guy's doing a lot of good things. So today was an introduction of the uh, lithium power plant in I think in Texas. So where they were making the lithium batteries over there. So it really be nice because it will help reduce Tesla's cost of battery production and also import of batteries. So they'll just have to make it there, and then they'll just take it straight to the manufacturing or assembly plants at various Tesla's manufacturing locations. So that will help bring down the cost of production for the battery. And also, if they want to, they might add it in the total sales cost for each Tesla. So maybe it might drop down by a couple $100, since production of the battery would be in Texas. I don't know if it's Austin or Fort Worth or wherever like that. So it will help bring down the price. Thank you.